Yo, Quanto, you know, see the boy string bing for one day. The boy run off with my weed, you know.
I've been even wondering if you stop doing business.
No. The boy run with me 10 pound of weed. Business man, bro.
Yo, these niggas been snitching. Just the way I got a next nigga at my studio. This guy coming and see me with a catty in my lap. And I know this nigga ain't gonna keep his mouth.
You can't trust them for real, bro.
You're the man, Punisher. The last man you pound 10 finger one time, you know? You're the Punisher around here.
Yeah. So, my Jen, I want to the young artist.
You mean Formula?
Yeah, man.
He's coming on well. Just need to work on the bars a little bit.
Yeah, man, a good artist, man. Real J. Remember, I tell you.
Everybody a talk about this Quanto. Me need to know who name this Quanto.
Shepherd, you know? A shepherd.
My virgin Shepherd, we gone to England about 5 years now.
Yeah, some big producer now.
I go and call Linda right now and see what is what. Cause me know and tell me send down my auntie.
Yeah, good thing I bleach in the Congo. I saw hot, you know.
No, me auntie me there.
Which part of the Linda?
Me say me there, me auntie.
Lie, you tell. Lie, because me here say you're the bomb man bike back.
Me? And me auntie here me there I do right now.
Hear me here say the palm man bike back and you can tell me foolishness now. Nothing can go so.
Me say me don't believe nothing when you tell me.
Giant won't be a fool, I just need that.
Hello? Hello? Natty one. You don't know so Linda ain't up on me.
Congo, you know, see a fool you want to take Rasta from.
You know a boy Skako did that tell me about Quanto? You see like how me know a shepherd now? Me I go make Skako bring me up there tomorrow. Boy I all are fresh right now, you know. So you know I'm alright, you know.
Alright.
Hey, right now me ready, you know. Cause right now me hungry. And me all want to left here so too.
Alright, babe, just sit down. I got this. Yo,
I'm a general, you know the thing, but
easy, Punisher. Come in, babe.
Skako better ready for go down like producer, you know, cause me whole want meet shepherd. When you call him to Quanto? Skako. Super, say you see Skako now eh? You gonna look mango? Alright then.
Let me start that one here. Like how Martin Luther King would have started. My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream.
You know if I win the lotto, I can want this place to buy. It's a very nice place.
All of my goal is to reach my goal. Live a happy life, put it on me headstone. Nobody no fi cry over me dead. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. I mean, I tell you my life, where them used to go round me, go round. No one used to come round me. My life was so lonely. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now.
Oh, and this is Skako. Alright then. Lad, how much Skako Lego this year so? Me no ask. Hey boy, where are you doing that tree? So me ask you something. You know see Skako know about the place here?
Check over mango tree.
Which mango tree?
Down there at the way.
Bomba man. Skako, where are the open people in mango tree?
How you know where me there?
Me go link Super up your yard and Super tell me say you gonna mango bush.
Me gonna mango bush?
I saw me find you.
I draw me hungry, man. And nothing there in our seat, you know.
Forward commander guy producer man.
Me a forward.
Yo, you couldn't tell me see so far me could ride the bicycle him.
Me no riding, man.
Why me not like you for walking?
I just ride round the corner.
Me not like you for walking.
Can't bother this man I know one. Congo, wait. You know hear that? Wow, sound like with the near man.
Alright, me tell you say, I right up a quantum more, but right now. Over there we have a man.
Then Linda, I will get a nice producer here.
You know say, I'm just find out, bro. But you come here, I can't go find out. I don't know who to tell him.
So what are you going to do about it?
Boy, I don't even know now.
Who's that?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, you know you don't gotta push in your head again, man. Let me check. Babes, you gotta hide. It's the same informal guy. What's up, man?
They ain't a big boss.
Yeah, Bobby.
No, say boy, come and bring. Come and drop in tune.
Huh? Man, stop the mess me around, man. My Virgin Congo?
Yeah, him said one man.
Congo!
Come here, man. Big boss man, see you now.
Congo!
Yeah.
Man, been a lot of years, man.
Lot of years.
What happened to your locks? I thought you would be dropping now, man.
All of that time you're in England, I think you go over here like by now.
No, I get some cream and rub in the top. Get it real shine now. I'm
Yeah.
a big producer now, man. Yes, blood.
There, man. So what accent for?
Accent? You smell big?
No, man. I know something you talk. Accent. Where your accent for? Why
Oh,
you
man,
speak
I
so?
haven't been here for a long time, man. I've been in England. So what's up, man? What's it?
You know what I say? When me really forward up here for a woman and it what me here see you have.
Oh, man. I've been working with some female artists. What is it?
Tell me them name.
I've been working with Happy Face, Pineapple Lip, and
So, none name Linda.
no, I've been working with no name Linda. Linda is just a girl that I chill with, you know.
Lie.
Yeah, you know Linda?
Yes.
You know Linda? Cock up bottom Linda?
Yes. Why? Why? Why?
Boom, people, don't know it's all about Quanta aka Shepai. How we done so. So do remember, Creative TV, hit like, share, subscribe. You don't hit the notification bell yet.
This drive is represented for Creative TV. Like, share, and subscribe.
Boom, you hear me now, man? Mad will represent Creative TV, you see me? Want people them like, share, subscribe. Remember I bell icon and press all, hear that? Boom.
Like, share, and subscribe.
You don't know, say a Congo boss represent for Creative TV. Like, share, and subscribe.
And make sure you hit the notification bell.
Come on, man. A Punisher, you know, we represent for Creative TV. You don't know, say you have to like and subscribe. You know the thing, though.
Boom, I say, I'm not the one that represent Creative TV, you know, remember. Like, share, subscribe. You see me, I say, I don't know we, yo, string this.
Ah, wait.
It's the girl, Ali.
Linda is here, and we are representing Creative TV.
Oh, you don't know a channel now.
Me don't know.
Oh, you don't know it.
Creative TV.
You know what you video there, man?
Creative.
Yes.
Oh,
Ready again.
hey, it's your girl, Ali.
And Linda is there.
Representing for
Creative TV. I want to like
share and subscribe.
and hit that notification bell. Ping ping. Ow!
Say subscribe again.
Subscribe.
You say.
Subscribe.
That's my song.
Subscribe. Share. Like.
Hey, you're confused people. That was
You go out of your way for argue, cause you know some nah go call you. That are your signal for do what you want do. When me start talk, you say me a evil. So you go out of your way for hurt me, and me go out of my way for hurt you. We keep going round in a circle. Now this a call off, this a surgery.